Yeah. Oh. Hey, hey, hey. Yeah. Let me introduce myself. I go by the name of Aim High, and I will never stop aiming high until the day I die. The name is Aim High, that's what I go by. I'm not the smartest guy, but at least I knew I tried. I dropped out of school and now I'm trying to be the best alive. You might just look at me and say that I got a crazy mind, and I ignore what haters have to say. I'm like a metal chain that these haters can't break. I bring that fucking heat that these haters can't take. And friends nowadays become two-faced. So how can I be wrong when I'm already right? You on that terrorist plane, I'm on a different flight. You on that traffic lane, I'm passing the traffic light. Time don't wait, homie, so here's a wave goodbye. And hell no, I ain't going back to that life. I used to kick and chill, but time was what I kill. But now I speak my mind and hope that you feel every word I say. I just keep it real.